Hey Nash, what should we make?
Some people in the comments seem to like easy, budget-friendly recipes. I got us some meatballs. Let's make a dump and bake meatball casserole.
All right, let's make a dump and bake meatball casserole. Today, we are making a dump and bake meatball casserole. Another super easy dish, another budget-friendly dish, something you can make that is delicious, but also won't cost you an arm and a leg, and you can put together pretty quickly and is super duper easy to make. So a good weeknight meal for you, for your family, for whatever. So hey, without further ado, let's go. So first we preheat our oven to 375 and get out a casserole dish. If you're bringing this to a gathering or someone else's house and you don't want a dish, or if you're just doing it at home and you don't want a dish to clean up, go ahead and get one of those aluminum casserole dish deals. I use them all the time. Pre-greased, so make sure you get your casserole dishes greased. First thing we do is take 16 ounces of dried uncooked penne pasta, pour it in there. Then to this we add 1 large onion diced, then about 4 cloves of minced garlic, a little bit of Italian seasoning, about a tablespoon, some red pepper flakes if you so desire, and then 2 cups of chicken broth, and 2 jars of your favorite marinara sauce, or homemade marinara sauce, whatever you so prefer. Then we go ahead and mix this until everything is kind of combined and all of your pasta is submerged in liquid. Then take about 26 ounces of frozen meatballs and go ahead and just lay them on there 1 layer thick. Now we cover this up with foil, try to get it nice and tight. And then we throw this into our 375 oven for 60 minutes. All right, right out of the oven. This is our guy. We want to make sure the pasta's pretty tender, so just gonna go ahead and grab one from the middle. All right, as long as your pasta's tender, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off some of these edges here. Not required, but you know. And as long as your meatballs and your pasta are pretty much cooked, we just go ahead and top this with some fresh grated mozzarella. Now, if you have some fresh grated Parmesan or some good Parmesan, go ahead and use that. Otherwise, just, you know, use some of this crappy Parmesan. Just put this sort of, just fill in the gaps. And then with your oven on broil, you want to go ahead and put this guy back in on the top shelf for 2 to 5 minutes. And once your cheese is nice and melted and a little bit golden brown, and if your sauce is bubbling, that's a bonus. That means you did it right. Then we're done. So take this guy out of the oven and then we let it cool, because right now it's lava hot. And here we are, right out of the oven. After a little bit of cooling, cut a little piece here. And there we have our meatball pasta dump and bake casserole. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's meaty, it's pasta-y, it's delicious, and so freaking easy to make. I didn't expect it to turn out this good, but it did. Well, damn. Go make this. And you can use whatever pasta you want, whatever meatballs you want. If you want to make your own meatballs, go for it. I was going for the easiest version possible, so that's why we use the frozen meatballs, the jarred pasta sauce. Even using that, this dish is pretty amazing. So go try it, highly recommend. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm living on the edge, bro.
Well, check it out. We got this dump and bake meatball pasta casserole that you requested. Here you go. That's obviously the dog-friendly version. What do you think?
That's pretty dang good. It's rich and hearty and meaty, and it was super easy to make.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, another great dish, super easy to make. You can make it on a budget. I freaking love it. So hey, go make it. All that being said, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time I drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.